Today in SERDNA Talk, we're going to talk about money, and specifically, we're going to talk about things that we need to keep in mind all the time. When you're thinking about your savings account, what you need to keep in mind is how much money do you spend or need every single day, every single month, or every single year. Because if something happens, then I hope you're prepared. Let's say that you get fed up at work and you decided to quit your job. You better be certain that you can live 1 day or 2 weeks or 5 months without income and without worrying about it. Ideally, you should have a reserve that can cover all your expenses without affecting your lifestyle for at least 6 months. Obviously, if you can stretch it to 8 or 12 months, then even better. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is to put your money in places that can generate an ROI instead of hoarding cash for no reason. Look for investment opportunities. Your investment portfolio should have a little bit of everything, since some of those won't perform as expected. Buy stocks from companies from all around the world. Stay away from owning too much of the same or of the same country. Diversification is key. And now that we're talking about money, I'm pretty sure that you have debt. Is it good debt or bad debt? You probably think that debt is bad. However, let me tell you that debt could be your friend. Is your debt making your money, or is your debt draining your bank account? If that's the case, then yes, debt is horrible. But if you're thinking about investing in real estate, for example, and if you're financing your property, then getting a loan is not a bad idea, since you will be using leverage. Plus, that property is basically forcing you to save thousands of dollars. Years from now, your property will be paid and you will have a tangible asset that can be transformed in cash if you need to. If you have any questions, just subscribe in order to receive notifications every time that we post a new video. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.